श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। In continuation of the answer for the fourth question posted by Sauryayani, this is the fourth mantra where it is said, Yaduchvasa nishvasau etau ahuti samam nayati iti saha samanaha manohavava yajamanaha ishtaphalameva udanaha sa enam yajamanam aharahar brahma gamayati. Here this samana is called as equalizing breath, because it equalizes whatever the food is taken or whatever the liquid is taken. Samam nayati iti samanaha, it equalizes. That's why it is called as samana. The two oblations, Yad uchvasa nishvasau etau ahuti, the two oblations, the in-breathing and the out-breathing, uchvasa and nishvasa, the mind verily indeed is the sacrificer. The effect of the sacrifice is the up-breath or udana, because it leads the sacrificer to Brahman day by day. This is the outline meaning of the mantra. Here Bhashyakara says, Athacha hota agnihotrasya yadi asmat uchvasa nishvasau agnihotrahuti iva nityam dvitva samanyadeva tu etau ahuti samam sammena sharira sthiti bhavaya nayati yo vayuhu agnihi agnisthaniyopi hota cha ahutyoho netratvat. Here Bhashyakara says, hota, one who sacrifices, he is called as hota. Agnihotrasya hota, hota means havanakarta. Yadyasmad uchvasa nishvasau agnihotrahuti iva, agnihotrasya ahuti iva, ahuti dvayam, ahuti. What is that? That is uchvasa and nishvasa. Agnihotrahuti iva nityam dvitva samanyadevatu etau ahuti. Why this dvitvam? Dvitva samanyat, uchvasa and nishvasa both are connected with each other. Only uchvasa cannot be there or only nishvasa cannot be there. Both should be there to survive. Otherwise, these two, uchvasa and nishvasa, in breath and out breath, they will stabilize the body. They are the reason for the surviving the body. Otherwise, the body will collapse. That's why nityam dvitva samanyadeva etau ahuti. These two called as oblations. Two oblations, two ahuti. One who gives this ahuti, he is called as agnihotrasya hota. Etau ahuti samam sammena sharira sthiti bhavaya. To maintain the balance of the body, it required. That's why samam शरीर स्थिति भावाय नयति यह वायुः Agnisthaniyopi, because Vayu is called as, it is called in place of Agni, Agnisthaniyaha. Why? Because Agni, whatever the oblation is offered in the fire, the Agni will take it to the deity for which it is offered. So Agnihi huta bhuk, hutam bhunakti athava hutam vahati, hutavahaha. In the same manner, Vayuhu Agnisthaniyopi hota. Why he is called as hota? Ahutyor netritva. One who take the ahuti or oblations offered, he is called as hota. Who is this hota? Here, in this body, hota is kosau saha samanaha. He is samana vayu, one who equalizes. That's why he is called as samana. Atascha vidushaha swapopi agnihotra havanameva. Vidwan or upasaka, one who performs this kind of upasana, his sleeping also is like that Agnihotra. Tasmad vidwan nakarmi ityevam mantavyaha ityabhiprayaha. Vidwan upasakaha saha akarmi na. He is always performing some kind of duty, some kind of upasana, etc. He will do always. That's why during the sleep status also of the Vidwan, it is called as Agnihotra. His sleep also is called as Agnihotra. Sarvada sarvani bhutani vichinvantyapi swapata iti vajasneke. It is being said in the Vajasneya Samhita. Atra hi jagratsu pranagnishu upasamhritya bahyakaranani vishayanscha agnihotra phalamiva swargam brahma jigamishuhu manohavava yajamano jagarti yajamanavat karyakaraneshu pradhanyena samvyavaharat swargamiva brahma prati prasthitatvad yajamano manah kalpyate. Atra hi jagratsu pranagnishu upasamhritya bahyakaranani. All outer senses are merged in mind during the sleep status. Pranagnishu jagratsu. But the Uchvasa and Nishvasa or Pranavayu, it is very much in the awakened status. Vishayanscha agnihotra phalamiva. Agnihotra phalam. Agnihotrasya kim phalam bhavati. Tadvad atra vishayan swargam brahma jigamishuhu. Yad brahma swargakhyam brahma yastavat agnihotra havana karta swargam jigamishuhu bhavati. Tadvad atrapi Manaha atra yajamanaha. Manayeva jagarti. During the sleep status, that means in the dream world, manaha jagarti. Tanmanaha yajamanavat karyakaraneshu pradhanyena samvyavaharat. Why manaha or mind is called yajamana? Because in the sacrifice, yajamana is the important one. In the same way, in the dream world, mind is the important one. Without mind, there will not be any dream world. Without Yajamana, there will not be any sacrifice. In the same manner, that similarity in between this Yajamana and mind. Yajamanavat karya karaneshu pradhanya. Karyam dehaha karanam indriyam. Karya karana samuhaha. Karyarupa dehe indriyani anisanti teshu pradhanyam bhajate manaha. This is the importance of mind. Tat pradhanyena samvyavaharat swargamiva brahma prati prasthitatva. The Agnihotra is performed by a Yajamana, he will proceed to Swarga. Like that, here it is, Manas is like sacrificer or Yajamana, it will go to the Swarga. What is that Swarga? Yajamanaha manaha kalpete ishtaphalam yagaphalameva udano vayuhu. Once the yaga or sacrifice is performed, some kind of fruit, that is the ishtaphala, which is desired by the Yajamana, that is called as ishtaphala. Here what is the ishtaphala? If manaha or mind is Yajamana, whatever the Uchvasa and Nishvasa is offered just like as ahuti or oblation, what is the ishtaphala? That is ishtaphalameva udano vayuhu. Udana vayureva ishtaphalam. Whatever the sacrifice is made by Yajamana, it will have its own effect in the normal procedure of the sacrifice. In the same manner, here in the dream status, mind is the sacrificer. It sacrifices 2 oblations. That means Uchvasa and Nishvasa. What will be the fruit? What will be the effect? The ishtaphalameva udano vayuhu. Udana vayuhu itself is ishtaphalam. Udano vayuhu means upbreath. That is called as upbreath. Udana nimittatva ishtaphala praptehi. Why? Because udana nimittenaiva hi ishtaphala praptehi. During the dream status, Udana Vayu plays an important role. That's why Udana Nimittatva Ishtaphala Praptehe. That is being described here by Bhashyakara. Katham Saha Udano Mana Akhyam Yajamanam Swapna Vritti Rupadavi Pratyavya Aharaha Sushuptikale Swargamiva Brahma Aksharangamayati. During the dream status, the mind will wander here and there. It creates its own vast world. It wanders in that created world. But this Udana Vayu, it does what? Udana Vayu will take the mind into the Sushupti or deep sleep status, where he feels only Sukha. That's why Saha Udanaha Mana Akhyam Yajamanam. Mana Akhyam Yajamanam Swapna Vritti Rupadapi Pratyavya. He will take the mind from the dream world to the Aharaha Sushupti Kale. Sushupti Samaye Sushuptim Nayati. He will take the mind from the dream world to the deep sleep status. Swargamiva Brahma Aksharangamayati. Just like the other sacrificer, one who goes to Swarga, in the same manner, here this mind is just like a Yajamana. He will proceed to the Swarga-like place, that is called as Sushupti here. Swargamiva Brahma Aksharangamayati. Ataha Yaga Phalasthaniyaha Udanaha. That's why Udana is called as just like Yaga Phalam. Yaga Phalamiva. Yagasya Phalam Swargaha Yatha Tadvaratra Swapna Drik Yan Manaha Bhavati. Swapnasya Karane Bhutam Yan Manaha Bhavati. Tanmanaha Sushupti Sthanam Prati Nayati Tatra Karane Bhutaha Udanaha. Evam Vidushaha Shrotra Duparamakala Arabhya Yavat Suptothito Bhavati Tavat Sarvayaga Yaga Phalanubhava Eva Na Vidushamiva Anarthayeti Vidvattastuyate. This is the greatness of Vidwan, Arthat, one who performs this kind of upasana. Vidushaha Shrotradi Uparamakala Arabhya. The time from all the outer sense organs which are merged in the mind during the sleep status, tadarabhya yavat suptothito bhavati, till the awakening status, jagrat paryantam. He goes to swapna and then afterwards he goes to susupti and then he comes to jagrat. Tavat paryantam sarvayaga phalanubhava eva na avidushamiva anarthaya. Just like avidwan, if he performs anything, he will get anartha phala only, because he does not know what is to be done, what is not to be done. Because of that only, without distinction, if he performs something else, he will get the anartha phala only, avidwan. But vidwan not like that. He will get the ishtameva phalam prapnoti. Tena sarvayaga phalanubhavaha suptothitasya yatha sarvayaga phalanubhava eva na avidushamiva anarthaya. Here it is being praised. The status of vidwan, it is being praised here, because in shastraic terms, whatever the prashamsa or praising, this is for what purpose? Shrotru buddhi prarochanaya prashamsa. That's why vidvatta atra stuyate. Nahi vidusha eva shrotradini swapante pranagnyayo va jagrati jagrat swapnayoho manaswatantram anubhavat aharaha sushuptam va pratipadyate. Because there is a distinction between vidwan and avidwan. Vidwan, he will also go to the dream status, and he will also goes to deep sleep status, that is sushupti. Whereas even avidwan also will get the same status. He will also go to the dream world and then proceed to the deep sleep status. But there is a difference between vidwan and avidwan. Vidwan, he is getting the sarvayaga phalanubhavaha. That is the distinction between vidwan and avidwan. Though he is also entering the same dream world and entering the sushupti, vidvattayaha stuti matram atra. Anartha phalam tavad annesham yatha bhavati tatha anartha phalam vidushaha na bhavati iti stavana matram kriyate. Samanam hi sarva praninam paryayena jagrat swapna sushupti gamanam ato vidvatta stutireva. Vidwan va bhavatu avidwan va bhavatu. Sushupti hi swapnaha samana eva sarvesham, parantu vidvattayaha stutihi katham ityukto tasya sarvada sukhameva bhavati iti yatha agnihotradi yagakartuhu swargarupa phalam bhavati evam atra upasakasya vidushaha pratidinam tatra swapopi tasya agnihotram iti stavanamatram. Pratidinam swapaha sarvairapi kriyate, vidusha api swapaha kriyate. What is the distinction between vidwan and avidwan? In spite of both are having the deep sleep status and dream status, but the vidwan, what he sees in the dream status, and when he goes to the next sushupti, in that sushupti, whatever he experiences there, sukha and ananda, that is only stuti matram. This is praiseworthy. That's why this is prashansyam, prashamsarham. Vidvat kutaha ityukto vidwan yat swapam karoti saha swapopi agnihotra samana. It is stuti matram. Asmabhirapi swapaha kriyate, vidvatbhirapi swapaha kriyate ityukto kim vailakshanyam. Vidushaha swapaha agnihotra sadrishaha iti vidvattayaha stutihi. That is the greatness of vidvatta. अनन्तरम् अत्रैष देवः स्वप्ने महिमानम् अनुभवति यदृष्टं दृष्टमनुपश्यति श्रुतं श्रुतमेवार्थमनुशृणोति देश दिगंतरैश्च प्रत्यनुभूतं पुनः पुनः प्रत्यनुभवति दृष्टंच दृष्टंच श्रुतंच श्रुतंच अनुभूतंच अननुभूतंच सच्च असच्च सर्वं पश्यति सर्वः पश्यति. In the beginning, Sauryayani asked Pippalada, Katara esha deva swapnan pashyati, one who is perceives the dream. Kataraha eshaha devaha swapnan pashyati. That was the question posed by Sauryayani. For that, here the answer is given. अत्र उपरतेषु श्रोत्रादिषु देहरक्षायै जाग्रत्सु प्राणादिवायुषु प्राक् सुषुप्ति प्रतिपत्तेः एतस्मिन् अन्तराले एषः देवः अर्करश्मिवत् स्वात्मनि संहृत श्रोत्रादिकरणः स्वप्ने महिमानं विभूतिं विषयिलक्षणम् अनेकात्मभावम् अनुगमनम् अनुभवति प्रतिपद्यते. Who is the perceiver of this dream world? That was the question. For that, this is the answer. Atra uparateshu shrotradishu. The universal mind is the beholder of all the dreams. Mind only creates the dream world. Not only it creates, it perceives also. He is playing the dual role. He creates, he sees. In the sleep, that God, Atraisha Devaha, here this word Deva in Sanskrit, there is a root, Divadhatuhu. दिव्यते इति देवः. दिवधातुः कान्तिरूपे अर्थे अपि वर्तते. कान्तिमान्यः सः देवशब्देन अभिधीयते. Here this मनः or mind is called as deva. एषः देवः उपरतेषु श्रोत्रादिषु. All the sense organs are merged in mind. They are not doing their work. In fact, the sleep is nothing but the merging of the sense organs. Whenever the sense organs are merged in the mind, itself is called as sleep. That's why all the shrotradishu uparateshu, sense organs, when all the sense organs are merged in the mind, deharakshaye jagratsu pranadi vayushu, but Pranavayu, it is very much awakened. It is doing its duty, that is Uchvasa and Nishvasa, in breath or out breath. Without that, body will not survive. Jagratsu pranadi vayushu prak sushupti pradipattehi. Sushuptihi naiva prapta. That means the deep sleep is not started yet. That which has been severely experienced in different places and regions. Whatever is being perceived during this status, that is dream status, he is not yet gone to Sushupti, he is not yet in the awakening status. So in between those two status, that is dream world, that is the dream status, Prak Sushupti Pratipattehe etasmin antarale, in between these two awakening and deep sleep status, this is Eshaha Devaha Arkarashmivat, just like sun rays. Swatmani Samhrita Shrotra Adhikaranaha, all the sense organs are merged in itself. Swapne mahimanam vibhutim. Swapne tavat mahimanam. Mahimanam ityukto vibhutim. The diversifying capability of the mind, that is called as mahima. The mind in the dream world, it takes so many shapes. Whatever is being perceived in the dream world, it is nothing but mind. Mind will only take the shape of those objects. So drishya rupena manaha eva parinamate swapne. Manasaha atirikta rupe anya kopi padartha nabhavati. Swapne yakkapchana padartha swapne tavat ratha gaja turagadihi drishyate. Ratha gaja turagadi srishtyartham apekshita samagri tatra nasti athapi pashyati ityukto. This is nothing but the tadrugrupena manah parinamaha eva. Tadrisharupena manaha parinamate ityukto manasaha eva mahima. Yadyadrupam prapnoti tena tena rupena jivasya tattat prapancham prapayati. Iti kritva महिमानं विभूतिं कीदृशं विभूतिं तत्र भाष्यकाराः कथयन्ति विषय विषयी लक्षणम् अनेकात्मभावगमनम् अनेकात्मभाव विषयः विषयी विषयः means that is the object विषयी means one who perceives the object he is called as विषयी विषय रूपेणापि सः विषयी रूपेणापि एतादृश रूपेण अनेकात्मभावगमनम् अनुभवति प्रतिपद्यते ननु महिमानुभवने करणं मनः अनुभवितुः तत्कथं स्वातन्त्र्येण अनुभवति हियर a doubt is raised how this mind it is only an instrument it is only an inner sense organ it is only an instrument always helps other instrument being an instrument mind how this mind perceives the world it cannot be the perceiver should be someone different from mind is only an instrument to him here he says nanu mahimanubhavane karanam manaha whatever the dream world is being perceived for that instrument is mind at the same mind anubhavituhu tat katham swatantrena anubhavati one who experiences for the experiencer this mind is instrument how it experiences being an instrument mind how it experiences that means the same mind cannot be called as instrument and one who is perceives both role cannot be played by mind that is the doubt swatantro hi kshetrajnaha because kshetrajna means jiva he is independent manaha it is the instrument for jiva is the perceiver if you say jiva is perceiver then it is okay but you say mind itself experiences mind itself creates the dream world how is it possible that is the question naisha doshaha there is no such a kind of dosha kshetrajnasya swatantrasya mana upadhikrtatvat nahi kshetrajna paramarthata swatah swapiti jagartiva what you said kshetrajno hi swatantraha yes this is true kshetrajno hi swatantraha but what is the kshetrajnasya kshetrajnatva kshetrajna that is one who experiences in the body he is called as kshetrajna idam shariram kaunteya kshetramityabhidhiyate etadyo vetti tam prahuhu kshetrajna iti tadvidaha. That is the definition given in Bhagavad Gita by Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Idam shariram, the same body, this is called as kshetra. One who knows this body, he is other than this body. One who knows, he is called as kshetrajna. Then kshetrajna is an independent. How you say that mind itself creates the world, mind itself experiences it? How is it possible? For that, this is the answer. Kshetrajnasya swatantrasya mana upadhikritatva. What kind of independence this kshetrajna has? Kshetrajnasya swatantriyam yatsya kasyapi vishayasya darshane aswadane svikare va tasya swatantriyam mana upadhikritam. For that, mind is the main cause. Without mind, kshetrajnasya kshetrajnatvam na sambhavati. Kshetrajnah kada kshetrajno bhavati ityukto, through the mind only. If there is no mind, there is no kshetrajna at all. Because without mind, kshetrajna will become Brahman only. So, mana upadhikritatva nahi kshetrajna paramarthah. Kevalam tatra kshetrajna vastutah kshetrajno namaka. Vastutah यदि क्षेत्रज्ञः परमात्मा इत्येव अर्थः स्वीक्रियते, परमात्मा नैव स्वपिति नैव जागर्ति. He will not have this awakening status or deep sleep status. सः अवस्था अतीतः, अवस्था रहितः परमात्मा, अवस्थावान् क्षेत्रज्ञः जीवः. तस्य अवस्थावत्वं केन कारणेन? मनोरूप उपाधि कारणेन अवस्थावत्वम्. That's why without mind he does not see any dream world. Without mind he cannot experience anything. So the independence of the kshetrajna, actually it is dependent upon manorupa upadhi. Manorupa upadhyabhave kshetrasya kshetrajnasya kshetrajnatvam na siddhyati. Mana upadhikritameva tasya jagaranam swapnascha ityuktam vajasane ke vajasane samhitayam. Manorupa upadhidvara jivasya swapno va jagaranam va. The awakening status or the deep sleep status of the kshetrajna is because of mind only. It is dependent upon mind for his avastha vishesha. Sadhi swapno bhutva sadhi dhiya sahitah sadhi. Dhihi nama antakaranam. Antakaranena yuktaha swapno bhutva dhyayati iva lelayati iva. Saha vastutah na dhyayati nama lelayati. Parantu antakaranena sahitah dhyayati iva lelayati iva. Iva shabdah, actually he does not have any kind of swapna or sushupti. But because of the relation with mind, dhyayati iva, lelayati iva. This is what explained in Vajasane Samhita. Tasman manaso vibhutyanubhave swatantra vachanam nyayyameva. Ataha manasaha vibhutyanubhave manodhinatvad kshetrajnasya manaha eva karanam iti krutva manasaha eva tatra स्वातंत्र्य वचनम यदुक्तम तत्समीचीनमेव. मन उपाधि सहितत्वे स्वप्न काले क्षेत्रज्ञस्य स्वयं ज्योतिष्ठं बाध्येत किला इति केचित्. Thereafter one more doubt is raised here. If manarupa upadhi sahitatve स्वप्न काले क्षेत्रज्ञः means जीवः, जीवस्य तावत् मनोरूप उपाधि संबंध. He is very much connected with the mind. Unless the relation with the mind is there, he won't be called as a kshetrajna, and he won't see any dream world at all, and he won't enter this sushupti at all. That's why kshetrajna is fully dependent upon mind. If mind is the upadhi for jiva, then what he says, स्वप्नकाले क्षेत्रज्ञस्य स्वयं ज्योतिष्त्वम, स्वयं क्षेत्रज्ञः or what you call this consciousness, chaitanyam, तस्य तावत् स्वयं ज्योतिष्ठं व्यवस्थाप्यते. In the Sharirika Mimamsa or in Brahma Sutras, Sandhyadhikarana, in the Sandhyadhikarana, Sandhye Sistirahahi, this is the sutra. Maya Matrantu Karsnena Anabhivekta Surupatva, this is the next sutra. In this Sandhyadhikarana, what is discussed and why it is discussed? This dream status of a Kshetrajna, what is the necessity of the discussion? The necessity is this, to show the Swayam Prakashatva or Swayam Jyotishtva of consciousness. This dream world is being discussed. That is the Siddhanta told in that Adhikarana. In Mandukya also, Avasthatraya Vicharaha Yaha Kritaha Tatrapi Swapna Padartha Vicharaha Yada Kritaha Tatra Swapne Jivaha Swayanjyoti Rupaha Ityetat Pratipadayatumeva Swapna Vichara Kritaha. Otherwise, in Vedanta, these Srishti Prakriya does not have any importance. Vedanta, it is for what? Vedanta to establish the Jiva Brahmaikya. What is the place of Srishti Vakya? Here, that's why Srishti Vakya and even Avasthatraya Vichara are also done in Vedanta. What is the purpose? The purpose is especially this dream world discussion, because to establish the Swayam Jyotishtva of Paramatma or Chaitanya. It is discussed. Why? Because if this consciousness does not have this Swayam Jyotishtva, then how can this dream world can be perceived? Because there will not be any outer sense organs. Shrotratvak chakshu jihva granadi indriyani jnanendriyani tadanim nasanti tyedapi kaschana tatra pashyati. Katham pashyati? Kaha drashta tatra bhavati? Jivaha बाह्येन्द्रिय व्यापार रहितः कश्चित् पश्यति इत्युक्तौ मनः तत्र अस्ति. मनः पदार्थरूपेण परिणमते इत्युच्यते. पदार्थरूपेण मनः परिणमतां नाम द्रष्टा कः? Without any sense organs, or even for that matter the sunlight or electricity, whichever is not available to perceive an object, which are very much required, but they are not available in the dream status. In spite of that, if he observes, if he perceives an object, it shows what? It shows itself that consciousness itself is Swayam Jyoti. Swayam Jyotisha eva etat sarvam bhati. That was established in Sandhyadhikarana. Here what you say, everything is dependent upon mind. Then Swayam Jyotishtva, it will be affected. That doctrine will be affected. Badhyeteti kechit. Evam kechana samshayam pradarasyanti chetanna. Shrutyartha aparijnana krita bhrantistesham. They are not in a position to understand the meaning of Shruti. That is the Bhrantihi Tesham. That is the misconception. Yasmat swayam jyotishtvari vyavaharopi amokshantaha sarvopi avidya vishayeva mana adyupadhi janitah. Swayam jyotishtvari vyavaharopi स्वयं ज्योतिष्व रूपेण व्यवहरति यत् आमोक्षान्तः मोक्षपर्यन्तमपि अयं सर्वोपि व्यवहारः भ्रान्तो व्यवहारः कश्चित् तत्र पश्यति किमपि इत्युक्तौ सः सर्वोपि व्यवहारः कीदृशः भेदव्यवहारः भेदव्यवहारः सर्वोपि अविद्याविषय एव भेदव्यवहारः सर्वोपि अविद्याविषयः अविद्याविषयः इत्युक्तौ अविद्यायाः परिणामात्मकं मनः मनस्सम्बन्धकृतत्वादेव अयं भेदव्यवहारः मोक्षपर्यन्तमपि अनुवर्तते तदेव उच्यते यत्र वा अन्यदिव स्यात् तत्र अन्यो अन्यत् पश्येत् मात्रा संसर्गस्त्वस्य भवति whatever is being perceived is different from me. If I am in a position to perceive some kind of object other than me, it is nothing but the mind or its effect. Manas and manasah parinamah eva prapanchah तदेव श्रुतौ उच्यते यत्र वा अन्यदिव स्यात् वस्तुतः अन्यं नास्ति आत्मनः अपेक्षा भिन्नं नास्ति अन्यदस्ति इव यदि पश्यति तेन कारणं भवति मनः एव तत्र अन्यो अन्यत् पश्येत् मात्रा संसर्गस्त्वस्य भवति यत्र त्वस्य सर्वमात्मैवाभूत् तत् केन कं पश्ये इन बृहदारण्यक यत्र त्वस्य सर्वमात्मैवाभूत् when he realizes self then all this kind of bheda ceases to exist. There will not be any bheda after that. That's why kena kam pashye kenapi kamapi na pashyati ityarthah kartru karma bheda rahityam kena kam pashyed kena iti kartru kam iti karma kena kam pashyed iti that is the question. There will not be any karta, there will not be any drashta, there will not be any drishya. Such kind of bheda vyavahara will not be there. Ato manda brahma vidameva yam shanka natu ekatma vidam. One who knows the absoluteness of self, advaitam yastu janati saha evam na pruchyati. Yastu evam pruchyati saha manda brahma vidaha. संपूर्णतया ब्रह्मस्वरूपं ये न जानन्ति तेव एवं पृच्छन्ति नन्वेवं सति अत्रायं पुरुषः स्वयं ज्योतिरिति विशेषणम् अनर्थकं भवति अत्रायं पुरुषः स्वयं ज्योतिः स्वयं ज्योतिः इत्येवम् उच्यते किल श्रुतौ इट इज वेरी मच अवैलेबल इन दिस श्रुति अत्रायं पुरुषः स्वयं ज्योतिः. This Swayam Jyotishto Vyavahara, if it is in the Avidya Dashayam, Yadi Bhavati, Atrayam Purusha Swayam Jyotihi iti Shrutau Yadabhidiyate, Tat Katham Samarthyate, Visheshanam Anarthakingla. This is the wasteful adjective. If he is not a Swayam Jyoti, then why this adjective? What is the necessity of this adjective? Visheshanam Anarthakam Bhavati. That was the objection. Atrochate atyalpamidamuchate. Are what is there? This is not only an objection. There may be so many objections, if at all. Atyalpamidamuchate ya esho antarhridaye akashah tasmin shete iti antarhridaya parichede sutaram swayam jyotishtam badhyeta. Swayam jyotishtam antarhridaye during the deep sleep status. This jiva, where he exists, he is in the heart. Antarhridaye parichede tatra bhavati tatra vidyamanaha swayam jyotistvam iti yad uchyate swayam jyotis swarupam tatra vartate iti tasya ekam sthanam uchyate. Satyam evam ayam doshah yadyapi syat swapne kevalataya swayam jyotistvena artan tavad apanitam भारस्य तर्हि अयं दोषः स्यादेव स्वप्ने केवलतया स्वयं ज्योतिष्त्वेन ताव अर्थं तावदपनीतं भारस्य. अर्थं वा अर्धं वा? अर्धं. स्वयं ज्योतिष्त्वेन अर्धं तावदपनीतं. स्वयं ज्योतिष्त्वं स्वप्नसमये यदि उच्यते अर्धो भारः अपनीतः एव इति वक्तव्यं किल. इत्युक्तौ स्वयं ज्योतिष्त्वम् अस्ति. स्वयं ज्योतिष्त्वं तावत् त्वयापि अङ्गीक्रियते. अविद्यादशायां विद्यमानो व्यवहारः इति त्वया अङ्गीक्रियते. तर्हि मम भारः अर्धम् अपनीतः इति. तत्रापि पुरीतति नाडीषु शेते इति श्रुतेः पुरीतति नाडी सम्बन्धात् तत्रापि पुरुषस्य स्वयं ज्योतिष्त्वेन अर्धभारापनयनाभिप्रायो मृषैव. Not only in the heart, he is existed in the heart, not only in the heart during the deep sleep status. In some Shruti, it is said that Puritati Shete. Puritat, this is the name of a particular nadi. During the deep sleep status, the jiva exists in the Puritan nadi, or for that matter in some other places of some other nadi. He exists during the Sushupti. It is also being said. So, Swayam Jyotishtvena Ardhabharapanenabhipraya Mithyaiva. Kevalam Hridaye Vartate Ityukto Ardhapanenam Iti Aduchyate Ardhapanenam Anyatrapi Vartate. Ataha Ardhapanenam Iti Kathanam to Mrishaiva. Katham Tarihi Atrayam Purushasya. Then how you are going to interpret this sentence? Atrayam Purusha Swayam Jyotihi Annashakhatvat Anapeksha Sashrutihi. Kadachit, if this is it is belong to different shaka. Is it the answer? No, it cannot be. Sashrutiriti chenna Arthekatvasya ishtatvad eko hi atma sarvavedantanam artha vijignapaishitaha vubhutsitasya. Maybe it belongs to some different shaka, but that should not be the answer, because in different shakas, in different Upanishads, in different mantras, whatever is being taught about Atma, that should be in the same manner. That should be. We have to make some kind of samanvaya. Otherwise, each and every sentence, or if they are interrelated, sananvayah kartavyah no chet paraspara virodhe sati apramanyapatti. Here Atma ekayeva sarva vedantanam artha brahmaswarupam atmaswarupam eva pratipadyam. What is to be established? Atma is one and only, exists, nothing else. That is the subject of Vedanta. Vijignapaishitaha, that was the point to be discussed. Bubhutsitascha tasmad yukta swapne atmanaha swayam jyotishtopapattihi vaktum. Tasmad swapne atmanaha swayam no chet. If it is not discussed during this dream status, how can you establish a swayam jyotishtva of Atma? Atman, or for that matter this consciousness, it is called as Swayam Jyotishtva. To prove its Swayam Jyotishtva, it is very much needed to discuss about the dream sleep status. Unless and until you discuss the dream status, you cannot establish the Swayam Jyotishtva. If it is said in the scriptures, you cannot establish it. To establish it, it is very much needed to discuss about the dream world. Ataha shrutehe yathartha tatta prakashakatva. Shrutihi, the scriptures will not say something else which cannot be established by forceful pramanas. Evam tarihi shrunu shrutyartham hitva sarvam abhimanam. If it is the case, then you listen to me. Hitva sarvam abhimanam. You sideline all prestigious conceptions, sarvam abhimanam, false prestige. You simply sideline your false prestige. अभिमानेन वर्षशतेनापि श्रुत्यर्थो ज्ञातुं शक्यते सर्वैः पंडितं मन्ये. दिस इज द सेंटेंस रिटन बाय भाष्यकार. ही सेज केवल शास्त्रज्ञानेन किमपि न भवति. पंडितं मन्यः अहम् इति जानाति चेत् तेन श्रुत्यर्थज्ञानं न भवति. श्रुत्यर्थज्ञानं भवितव्यं चेत् अवहितमनाः भूत्वा शृणु. यदा हृदयाकाशे तदेव विवृणोति. यदा हृदयाकाशे पुरीतति नाडीषु च स्वपतः, when this jivatman sleeps or rests in hridayakashe, in the heart during the sleep status, or puritan nadi, or in other nadis, स्वपतः तत्संबंधाभावात् ततो विविच्य दर्शयितुं शक्यते इत्यात्मनः स्वयं ज्योतिष्त्वं न बाध्यते. When he is existed in heart, he is existed in puritan nadi, he is existed in somewhere other nadis. If it is said, then you can show that one who is existed, he is different from where he is existed. That can be shown. The pure consciousness can be shown then only. If he is existed in the heart, heart is different from one who existed in it. One who is existed, Atma is existed, Atma is different. Where he is existed? He is existed in the heart, heart is different. So, unless and until you show this Ashraya Shreya Bhava, or whatever you call it as Adharadeya Bhava in the Gauna Rupena, you cannot show Atman who is different from all these kind of physical or inner world instrument, that is Manas. He is different from all those things. दर्शयितुं शक्यते. अतः तेन तावता स्वयं ज्योतिष्त्वस्य बाधो न भवति. एवं मनसि अविद्या कामकर्म निमित्त उद्भूत वासनावपि वासनौ मनसि अपि अविद्यया कामः जायते, कामेन कर्म क्रियते, कर्म निमित्तेन वासना, तदनन्तरं संस्कारात्मना. whatever he performs, for performing such a kind of activities or actions, or for that matter these yagas etc., karma, performer, one who is the performer, he himself thinks that I am the karta. That kartritva is because he does not know the exact swarupa of self or atma. That is, the avidya is there. Because of that avidya, some kind of desire will develop in him. Because of that desire, he will perform some kind of karma. Tadrisha karmanusthana, because of the performing of that action, there will be some kind of vasana, that means samskara. Samskara will automatically develop. Manasi. Karma nimitta vasana avidyaya anyadvastvantarameva pashyataha सर्वकार्य करणेभ्यः प्रविविक्तस्य द्रष्टुः वासनाभ्यो दृश्यरूपाभ्यः अन्यत्वेन स्वयं ज्योतिष्ठं सुदर्पितेनापि तार्किकेण न वारयितुं शक्यते. केवलम I am the great logician, I am the great Nayayika, I am the great Tarkika. Maybe you may be a great Tarkika, but you cannot negate whatever is being experienced by each and every one. Experience is bigger than all other pramana. Here he says, karma nimitta vasana avidyaya anyadvastvantarameva. Because of avidya, he performs some kind of karma. Once it is karma is performed, some kind of samskara will automatically develop. It will exist in his mind. Tad vastvantaramiva pashyataha. Tad vastvantaramiva atmanaha apeksha tad bhinnam vasana bhidyate. Sarva karya karanebhyaha praviviktasya atma vastutah dehad bhinnaha karanebhyaha bhinnaha. He is different from this physic and he is different from sense organs. Praviviktasya drashtuhu. Drashta, one who sees all these kind of vasanas, he is drashta, this is drishyam. There exists a dvaita. Vasanabhyo drishyarupabhyaha anyatvena yaha pashyati. Pashyati ityukto, without any sense organs. One who is different from sense organs. He perceives means itself establishes his Swayam Jyotishtva. In the normal case, in the outer world, Bhashya Prapanche, Vayam Katham Janemaha, Yatkimapi Jnatavyam Chet, Indriya Sahayam Apekshate. Indriya Sahayam Vina, Yastu Kimapi Janati Ityukto Swayam Jyoti iti tene vikila siddhyati. One who knows something without the help of sense organs, his Swayam Jyotishtva is automatically established. Tattu sudarpitenaabhitarkikena varayatum shakyate. Tasmat sadhuktam manasi pralineshu karaneshu apralinecha manasi manomaya swapnan pashyati. Tasma sarvani karanani manasi leenani bhavanti apralinecha manasi. But all the sense organs are merged in mind. Mind is not at all merged in Atma. It is in the very much awakening status. Then Manomayaha Swapnan Pashyati. Tadrisha Mana Upadhikaha Atma Swapnan Pashyati. Ityeva Vaktavyam. Katham Mahimanam Anubhavati Ityuchyate. Tadrisha Mahimanam, the diversified form of Manas itself is dream world. Yan mitram putradi, it is very much easy. Yan mitram putradiva purvam drishtam tadvasana vasitaha putramitradi vasana samudbhutam putram mitramivava avidyaya pashyati ityevam manyate. In the awakening status, in the Jagrat world, whatever is experienced, whatever is perceived, whatever is heard, whatever is touched, all such kind of experiences will exist in our mind in the form of vasana, samskara. During the dream status, that vasana will come up. It will come up, it will show its true color. It will exhibit itself in the form of dream world. Vasananam udbhavaha eva swapna prapanchaha. Katham putram purvam drishtaha putraha jagrati. Swaprepi putram pashyati, mitram pashyati. Etadrishamiva samudbhutam putram putramivava avidyaya pashyati. Parantu putraha jagrati vartate. Swapne putro nasti. Athapi putramiva avidyaya pashyati. Tatha shrutam artham tadvasanaya anushrunotiva. In the Jagrat Prapancha, if he listen something, he will listen the same thing during the dream world. That means whatever is experienced during the Bhashya Prapancha or Jagrat Prapancha, it will be in the dream world. That means whatever is experienced in it, that all will be perceived during the dream status. That is not the opinion of this sentence. Whatever is being perceived or being listened in the dream status, it should have its experience in the Jagrat Prapancha. श्रुतं तथा श्रुतम् अर्थं तद्वासनया अनुशृणोति इव देश दिगंतरैश्च देशांतरैः दिगंतरैश्च प्रत्यनुभूतं पुनः पुनः तत् प्रत्यनुभवति इव अविद्यया देश दिगंतर in the different place, in the different nation, in the different region, in the different direction, whatever is experienced during the awakening status, it will be experienced in the dream status. Tatha drishtancha asmin janmani adrishtancha janmantara drishtam. Whatever is drishtam, whatever is experienced, whatever is perceived in this janma, it will be reflected in the dream world. Whatever adrishta means in the different janma. For that matter, there will be one example. Each and everyone feels that he is flying like a bird during the dream status. Is it possible? That experience not, he does not have that kind of experience in this janma, but it is because of in the different janmas. He might have had some pakshi janma, bird's janma. That's why that experience exists in him, in his mind, like samskara. Samskarasya udbodena, he is experienced just flying in the sky. Evancha atyanta adrishte vasana anupapatte sarvatha kasminnapi janmani kimapi nanubhutanche tadrishasya स्वप्ने दर्शनम न भवति अदृष्टस्य एवं श्रुतंच अश्रुतंच. It applies to each and every sense organs duty, whatever eyes, nose, tongue, etc. all the 5 sense organs. Shrutancha ashrutancha anubhutancha asmin janmani kevalena manasa ananubhutancha manasaiva janmantre anubhutam. Anubhutam ananubhutam. Asmin, whatever experienced in this janma, ananubhutam, in this janma ananubhutam. In spite of that, it might have experience in the different janma, ananubhutam. Sarvamapi saha pashyati. Satcha, satcha sadrupena yadrishtam. Satyam udakadikam pashyati. Udakadikam. Asatya marichudaka. Sadrupena jagrati. Water is satyam during the jagrat prapancha. Asatyam during the jagrat prapancha marichudakam. Satyamudakam nadi jalam. Asatyamudakam mrigatrishna marichika. Mrigatrishnaambha. Oasis. Kim bahuna uktanuktam sarvam pashyati sarvah pashyati sarva manovasanopadhi san evam sarva karanatma manodeva swapnan pashyati. Kim bahuna. There is no need of explaining each and every thing, every object. Whatever is experienced during the awakening status, it will be perceived, or whatever is perceived during the dream status, it should have its experience during the awakening status or jagrat prapancha. Saha manaha, the mind only perceives all those dream world. Mind only creates all those world. Through mind only jiva sees. That's why manaha eva manorupo devaha swapran pashyati. That was the answer for that question. Kaha devaha swapran pashyati. That was the question. One who is perceives the dream. Mind itself perceives the dream. This is the answer.